The hood release cable runs along the left fender, up by the hood, then below the crossmember and above the left headlight, yellow arrow, and connects with the mechanism, red arrow, under the crossmember. The cable's grommet sits in a mount under the crossmember, yellow arrow, and attaches to the mechanism, red arrow. Pull the cable's grommet out from the mount. Note the horns have been removed for photographic purposes. Use a 10mm wrench and remove the 2 bolts holding the mechanism to the crossmember as indicated by the red arrows. Lift the mechanism, including the latching post, up out of the crossmember. You can now separate the cable's end from the release mechanism, red arrow, by gently prying the ends of the cable attachment apart. Feed the cable back through the crossmember towards the fender. Pull the cable, red arrow, out from under the headlight assembly and follow its path back to where it passes into the interior. Remove the kick panel on the driver's side. Please see our article on kick panel removal for further assistance by following the link at the end of this video. Pull the hood release handle out and remove the single Phillips head screw holding it to the lower dash. The cable end, red arrow, slips into the spot on the inside of the handle, yellow arrow. Remove the handle assembly from the lower dash. Remove the old cable and starting at the handle in the interior, run the new cable into the interior and attach it to the release handle. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.